How to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or not opening problem. So first thing you need to do is you have to go on the search button right here and search for the storage settings. So you want to make sure that your storage is all cleared or not full. So for example, I have my 475 gig and I still have 266 gigabytes free. So if you want to clear some of your applications or your storage, so you can do so. So in this case, I'm going to choose the temporary files, and then you will be welcomed on this page right here. So you just have to check everything that you want to delete it, and then you can click the remove files. Next thing you can do is go on the Microsoft Store, and you can try opening it and then search for the apps and try downloading it. If that still doesn't work, you can go to the Microsoft Store and then right click on it, and then after that you have to click this app settings. Next is you can kind of want to go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you find this terminate option, reset. So you just have to click terminate if you really want to full or completely stop the application. And next is reset. So if you want to click on that, the application will automatically repair. And then this one is a reset option. So if you want the system component that is not working right, so you can reset this option. So the system components data will be deleted. And now you can try and go ahead on the Microsoft Store again to see if you can already download applications. So in that ways, you can successfully fix your problem. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.